Hey everyone, Joe from Cold Springs RV in Ware, New Hampshire. Really excited to be showing you this is a brand new 2024 Wildwood with a brand new floor plan. It's called the 22EA ERAS. Fiberglass on the outside for this year. Looks like they're continuing that trend from 2023. As you come into the area here, if you notice, there's no dinette. You got reclining seats, and then you have a countertop with stools underneath it. Awesome rear kitchen layout. You got a huge fridge, huge pantry. Pantry's on a refrigerator light, which is really cool. Lights right up as soon as you open the door. Got these new half crescent doors, are pretty cool. Gives you a little bit more visibility. Floor space in here is monstrous. You got a lot of walking around room. Check this out. More storage, another refrigerator light. Of course, you got your TV and your fireplace, which is good for lighting or for heat. All the new Wildwoods have solar on board as well, so it's going to trickle charge a battery. You got dimmer switches, and this is a push button dimmer switch, so you can shut the lights off with it. You can turn the lights back on, or you can dim them down. Pretty cool feature. In this brand new floor plan, you have a good size walk-through bathroom. You've got a brand new this year hot water on demand. It is a tankless water heater. Some of the new changes they've come up with. Some storage under the sink, and you got some storage underneath the bed. And this is the brand new VersaTilt King bed. Really nice, gives you a lot of room in the bedroom when you don't need it, when you need it, and when you don't need it and it's time for bed, you just hit a switch on the wall and this will come down. Of course, this year they're also doing heated and enclosed underbelly with the removable belly pans like they did the year before. Nice change for this year is the bigger bedroom windows. And instead of having a pull down shade, you got these light blocking shades instead. They go right across the window. Wildwood has really nailed it again. They've been pretty strong the last couple of years with some really innovative floor plans. Come down and check it out at Cold Springs RV. And you can go on our website at www.coldspringsrv.com.